Hello. Today we are super happy to be showing this beautiful 4-bedroom house at New Legon, Adenta. The house is currently about 90% complete and should be move-in ready within 2 weeks. We are still on the compound. The untiled place has been left for gardening. So your green area here. So we have the walkway or wet area once you enter, where you can change your shoes. Then we move straight to the living area. Really spacious. With POP ceiling. Then the guest washroom. A pantry or storeroom. Then the kitchen and dining area. Really spacious. It comes with all appliances fitted. The fridge, microwave, oven. The cooker as well, all installed. Then this takes us outside. In case you want to cook on your coal pot, you want to do some banku or fufu pounding, you can just come out through the kitchen and then get everything done here. So this is the first bedroom downstairs. All the rooms have their full bathrooms and wardrobes or wall units installed. And then this is the family area upstairs. The first bedroom upstairs that we are looking at. Very high ceilings, spacious rooms, very airy. Well lit, lots of natural light. Then the second bedroom upstairs, which has a balcony. This unit is going for $185,000. There are 2 units available, so don't hesitate to give us a call on any of the numbers and we'll be happy to assist. This is the primary bedroom, very spacious. It has a private balcony as well as a walk-in closet where we are looking at. Then the washroom has both the shower and then the bath. Do give us a call and we'll be happy to assist. Thank you.